Greetings everyone, welcome to another video on my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a song by Ayanda and Ntanzi called a tutorial for a song by Ayanda and Ntanzi called Kukhona Amadlelo. We're in the key of A flat. Right? So I'll start with the beginner section. There are two parts to the song. We'll start with the beginner section and then we'll go on to the intermediate section. So the first part goes like this. Beginner section. Kukhona Amadlelo angakabonakali ilanga lizokhanya lixosha amafunya. Right? So repeat again. Da 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 That's what are you playing over there? Left hand's playing a 6, right hand's playing a 3, 5, 1. Left hand's playing a 7, right hand's playing a 5, 7, 2. Left hand's playing a 1, right hand's playing a 5, 1, 3. Then you play the 1 again, then left hand goes to a 2, right hand goes to a 6, 1, 4. Left hand goes to a 5, right hand goes to a 5, 7, 2. Then left hand goes to a 4, right hand goes to a 1, 4, 6. Left hand goes to a 5, right hand goes to a 2, 5, 7. Then we put back at the 1. So left hand's playing a 1, right hand's playing a 3, 5, 1. Then again, left hand's on a 4, right hand's on a 1, 4, 6. Then left hand's on a 5, right hand's on a 4, 5, 1. Then left hand's on a 1, right hand's on a 3, 5, 1. Right? So that's the intermediate section. Let's look at that's the beginner section. Let's look at the intermediate section, right? So, so we're playing the same exact chords, but adding a little bit more spice to them. So left hand's playing a 6, 1, or we can do this right here, where left hand's doing a 6, 3, 1, or you can just do a 6, 3, 5, or you can just do a 6, 1. In your left hand, but right hand's gonna be doing a 3, 5, 6, 1. We grace notes in that 5 into the 6. Left hand's doing a 7, 5, 7. Right hand's doing a 2, 5, 6, 2. Now left hand's doing a 1, 5, 1. Right hand's doing a 5, 1, 3. Then we're just doing a 3, 5, 1. Then a 2, 3, 5, 1. This is just playing some chords to fill up the space that's on the 1 chord, right? Da da da. Da da. This is the part Anga Kona Angaka. So left hand's doing a 1, 3, right hand's doing a 5, 7, 3. Left hand's doing a 2, 4, right hand's doing a 6, 1, 4. Left hand, I'm playing a 1, right hand, I'm doing like a 6, 7, 1 to give it a little bit of a somber feel. Right? Left hand's then doing a 7, right hand's doing a 5, 6, 2, right? I'm doing like an add 9 chord here, where I'm just literally adding the second chord of the note. Then so left hand's on the 1, right hand's gracing from the 2 to the 3. Left hand's doing a 2, right hand's doing a 4. Left hand's doing a 3, right hand's doing a 5. Left hand's doing a 4 octave, right hand's doing a 6 1 3 6. Left hand's doing a 5 octave, right hand's doing a 2 5 7. Left hand's doing a 1 5 1. Right hand's doing a 2 3 5 1. Left hand's then doing a 3 1. Right hand's doing a 2 5 7 flat. Then left hand's doing a 4 6. Right hand's doing a 1 3 6. Left hand's doing a 5 1. Right hand's doing a 4 5 1. Be back to the 1. So I'll that part again. Then now we're going to go back to the beginner parts where we look at the chorus section, right? So Ginali tembelihle Ginaye nkolole Ginaye umsindisi Ngohamba naye right? So what are we playing there? Left hand's playing a 3, right hand's doing a 1 2 5. Left hand's playing a 4, right hand's playing a 1 4 6. Back to the 3 left hand, right hand 1 2 5. Right? And then left hand's playing a 3, right hand's playing a 1 2 5. Left hand's playing a 2, right hand's playing a 6 1 4. Left hand's playing a 7, right hand's playing a 5 6 2. Left hand's then playing a 4, right hand's playing a 1 4 6. Left hand's playing a 5, right hand's playing a 2 5 7. This is just a repeat of the how we do in the verse. Right? Alright, so let's repeat it. Right. Now, let's look at the intermediate section as how we play that, right? So it's hurting my ears a bit. R.I.P. the ears. Right hand's playing a 5 1 3. Then right hand's gonna go to a 6 2 4. Then left hand's then gonna play a 3 1 3, while right hand plays a 1 2 3 5. But the 2 is gracing into the 3. So again. Then left hand's gonna go to a 4 1 4. Right hand's gonna go to a 6 1 3 6. Left hand's gonna go to a 3 1 3. Right hand's gonna go to the same 1 2 3 5. Then you're gonna go to a 5-1-3 in your right hand. Then again, repeat. Now left hand's gonna go to a 2-1-2, right hand's gonna go to a 4-6-1-4. 3 octave. Then left hand's gonna go to a 7-5-7, while right hand plays a 2-5-6-2. Then repeats from the beginning part, from the verse. So repeats. Alright, so that's pretty much the entire song. But I guess I can add this bonus section to the song here, and this is something which they'll play. You'll hear it almost towards like the middle ending of the song, where they play like this vamp of a. Alright, so how you play it over there? I'm literally just playing you start with the 7 flat, so you're playing left hand's playing a 3-1, while right hand plays a 2-5-7 flats. Then left hand plays a 4 octave, while right hand plays a 6-1-3-6. Left hand plays a 6, right hand plays a 1-3-6. Then now left hand plays a 5, right hand plays a 7-3-5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then left hand goes to a 4, right hand goes to a 6, 2, 4. Left hand goes to 3, right hand goes to a 5-1-3. Left hand goes to a 1, right hand goes to a 3-5-1. Then again, 5-6, your 7 flat chord again, your 4 chord. Then we go to a 6 now. Left hand, right hand goes to a 3-6-1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left hand goes to a 4, right hand goes to a 1-4-6. Left hand goes to a 3, right hand goes to a 1-5. Left hand goes to a 1, right hand goes to a 1-3. So just let's repeat that part again. That's pretty much the entire song, guys. Hopefully that you guys enjoy this tutorial, and yeah, for those of you guys who have not subscribed, I'd appreciate it if you could like the video and subscribe, because it does help me reach more people because of the Facebook algorithm. You guys know the story, and I try not to say it much in my videos because I really don't like pestering you guys much with that. I want you guys to be here to watch, listen, and learn. But yeah, till next time, guys, stay blessed.